How to write a business plan if you want to start a new business. In terms of business development, business owners should play to their ability and strength. There are different ways to start a new business. You should set up your business with a proper plan, no matter what type of business you are planning to start. Referring to the research published in the Strategic Entrepreneurship Journal, those businesses have a proper written and formal plan are 16% more successful than those without a business plan. Based on this research, entrepreneurs in the UK require all the assistance they can get, as 50% startups failing within 5 years. Therefore, before starting your business, ensure that it includes a business plan that will increase the chance to succeed. What do you mean by a business plan? A business plan refers to a written document that illustrates everything it contains to know about your business. It defines each and everything from business goals and strategies, to products, marketing strategies, projected finances and logistics. You can refer your business plan as the blueprint of steps required to look and operate to run your business. It should also contain where your business is coming from and where you would like to expand your business. What is the significance of a business plan? Writing down everything you know about your business will help you to get a better idea and feel for your new business and expectation you should be set. It also provides you with the opportunity to set short-term and long-term goals and come up with various pathways to measure progress. Also, reviewing your business plan will permit you to rectify errors you have made during planning your business. Therefore, it has a crucial impact on your business development. On the other hand, it is important because, at the time of funding, investors will always ask your business plan to see before they are willing to extend your funding. Your business should have a clear direction to gain a small business loan. That is, government agencies or high street banks will always ask you for your business plan. You should illustrate exactly how a proposed loan will be fitted into your business plan. You have to show every single spending and prove there will be some return on investment. What does your business plan include? There are several key items that your business plan must include to illustrate your company's overall viability. Your business plan requires to include a quick pitch. It should include an executive summary that concisely outlines everything a reader can expect to find inside your business plan. It should never exceed 2 pages. It should include an elevator pitch with your executive summary that will help you to sell your business to investors. It should also include an About Me section, where you can talk about your background, experience and motivation for starting a new business. You will need to outline precisely about the goals of your business, that is how to sell your product and services, what you are planning to offer and why and how much you are charging for your goods and services. It should include details about customers. For example, what age group or demographics do you anticipate will be likely to become one of your customers? You need to outline why those individuals would likely to buy your goods or services. You should also include a section in your business plan about how much money your company will make. To secure funding, you will require to adequately explain your income expectations so that you can illustrate a positive return on investment, ROI. The effective way to do that is to add in a cash flow forecast. A cash flow forecast estimates the amount of money you are expecting your business to bring in and pay out in a specific period. Before we go to the next point, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by rtrsupportslimited.com. RTR Supports Limited can provide UK company and bank account in 1 day. Please visit rtrsupportslimited.com for more information. How to structure your business plan. Once you included all the items you figured out, the next step is to structure it. You can structure your business plan the way you want. That is, deciding what you want to add and what you want to leave out is totally up to you. Following are the structured business plan of the majority of business. 1. Executive summary and elevator pitch. 2. Your products or services. 3. About you. 4. Market research. 5. Marketing strategy. 6. Your market and customers. 7. Operations and logistics. 8. Competitor analysis. 9. Cost pricing and strategy. 10. Your backup plan. 11. Financial forecasts. You do not necessarily require to structure all the 11 sections in your business. You can create different sections to make your business plan unique. But this is the most trending order used by most of the UK businesses. Your completed business plan is a concrete blueprint for the future of your company. It demonstrates the story of where your concept originated from, how you plan to accomplish your goals, and what will happen when you do it. Your business plan is where everything begins and how you can finally begin to transform your career dreams into a reality. Thanks for watching. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comments section below. We'll answer you shortly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.